MetaCam Go is the dedicated app for the SkylandX MetaCam handheld scanner, giving you complete control over your workflow and real-time 3D point cloud previews. Once the device is connected, tap Start to enter the scanning interface. Use the red button on the right to create and name your new project. After tapping Confirm, follow the on-screen prompt to keep the device still during initialization. Once finished, you're ready to start scanning. While scanning, you can monitor the colorized point cloud and your trajectory in real time. The top status bar displays key metrics at a glance, including device status, operation time, available space, RTK status, signal strength, and battery level. A live camera feed can be checked right in the photo window. Tap the Settings button to customize point cloud previews, operation reminders, and RTK. To optimize performance on your phone, you can adjust the point size, density, and transparency. The visibility of the device model can also be toggled. With the operation reminder enabled, you will get real-time pop-ups for loop closures, RTK updates, or improper scanning movements. RTK must be configured prior to scanning. Check out our dedicated tutorial for a full walkthrough. In the preview interface, you can switch between third-person view and free roaming navigation, and change the point cloud display mode to color, intensity, or elevation. Use the control point button to easily add or remove GCPs as needed. When you're finished, tap the red button to end your scan. Once the data saves, the app will generate your final job report. In the file management interface, you can rename and delete files on the scanner's SD card, or download previews directly to your phone. Tap Local to browse them.